Y epa lagunak ongi etorri Lasto Txapelen kanalera hor, bueno, gertatu esen gauza bat gertatu da, eta horrengo zitzaran barko dugu gure saldiaren bila joateko eta abenturan aurrera egiteko eta bar. Eta kontuan izan da, ostegunean Total Warhammerren zuzeneko bat eta bideo hori YouTube kanalera igote egongo den, ez eta egun horretan bi bideo izango ditugun, egun berezia delako eta bar, bueno. Ere jokoan aurrera egitea pentsatua daukat. Eta ere gogoratu, zuzenekoan esango nuen, baina bestel ere gogoratu, datorren astelenean Kalas Atripontzi izango dugula. A ber, bitate barzeita hau, grabatzen nagoela, berdin zait. Bueno, saldi hor dago. Txiko gara. Eta orain hartuko dugu gure saldia. Eta joango gara gure kanpalekura eta bar.
Hello, ma'am.
How you doing?
Hor dago serifa edo Marcela edo, bueno, dena delakoa. Eta ea zen nahi duen kaso honetan gure jausik. Arazetan sartu gaituela uste dut argi dagoen gauza bat izango dela. Beraz, bueno. Uste dut irtetzen bagara zonalde honetatik eta beran dago itzultzen baldin bagara guta zehaztu egingo direla eta bar. Esaten moduan eurak baretu arte garela itzuliko. Baina joko askoan naiz disfrutatzen. Eta gainera uste dut behin gandituta modu askea libratzeko aukera daukala. Ja, bueno, orain ez dut horrelako ezer nahi. Ea horrela bakean usten gaituzten. Hori John Marston zen benetan. Bale, heldu gara.
Hosea?
Hey, Arthur.
Come on! If we're gonna make it to this party, we sure as shit better clean up a little. So we're doing this?
Oh, yeah. Old friend Dutch Van der Linde's finally showing his true colors. Social climbing.
Old Senor Bronte, that horrendous snake, has invited us to the ball, Cinderella. So my suggestion is we go and get you a gown.
Eta gertatu da orain. Bale, desertzera gertatu. Ez? Bale, dena ondo.
We are ridiculous.
Utterly.
I ain't never been to a ball in my life.
Nor have I. if I am being honest.
I used to quite often. There can be fine pickets.
No pickpocketing. We are here to make real contact.
What kind of contact?
Well, I don't know. We'll find what we can. All I know for sure is we are going to a party at the
Well, that's
mayor's
bad.
house, and the guest of honor is the worst crook in town. I'm sure that we will find something.
Okay.
Gentlemen, Luca, I'm afraid the mayor does not allow guns at official functions after last year's incident. Luca here will take you to Mr. Bronte. I believe he is expecting you.
Follow me, gentlemen.
Esakin ni oso gentleman izango garen ala ez.
This way, please, gentlemen. Senior Bronte will be so pleased that you made it.
We are honored to be here.
That's wonderful, wonderful. Come, this way. What a beautiful evening it shall be. Mr.
Horrelakoak
Bronte is
piurak
very good
dituzun
friends
hartu.
with the mayor. Good evening, Pierre.
Senor Napoli?
As long as the mayor behaves himself, you know. Mr. Bronte, he has that thing, you know, respect.
Say, Phil, you join the party. We'll meet
All
you
right.
out back after we pay our respects to Senor Bronte.
Come.
We'll meet you out in the balcony when you're done.
Ah, vale. Vale, goitik dela.
The angry cowboys will arrive. And you've washed per la prima volta questo mese senza dubbio.
This is quite a party you've invited us to.
Yes, quite something. Although I'm not quite sure what.
So, this is Saint Denis High Society.
Yes, apparently so.
And all these people, these are friends of yours, Senor Bronte?
No, not quite, not quite. But they certainly are afraid of me. Like that one. See that wretch? He's the mayor. Henri Lemieux. He'll do anything for $1, and I mean anything.
Politics is a foul business.
Oh, and that one too. That is Alberto Fusar. He owns a sugar plantation out on the island, and he comes here to whore and despoil himself. Oh, and that is Hobart Crawley, a Confederate major in the war. I mean, hero, they say, but that is his very young wife. I mean, a young mistress, that's the natural order of things, yes, but a young wife is unseemly. Oh, the Redskins. I have no sympathy for them, because whoever is stupid enough to get tricked by the Americans, no, they get what they deserve, huh? Yes, and a letter to the mayor. Oh, yeah, that'll save you. And that is Hector Fellows. This self-righteous newspaper man. Maybe you will kill him for me one day.
Well, we're not paid killers as such, not in cold blood anyway.
I did not know you were so particular that you wouldn't help a friend.
Oh, I'm willing to help in any way I can, within reason.
I'm going to pretend to understand what that means.
I meant no offense, sir.
None taken. None taken! All these vulgar people. They hate me. Non vedo l'ora di guardarti morire.
Well, it has been wonderful conversing with you, but I can tell that you are very busy, and I won't waste any more of your time.
Yes. Go, enjoy yourselves, and mingle with this vulgar scum. It'll make you long for the days when you could shoot each other and screw cows out on the open range.
Those sure were the days. Good day, gentlemen.
Good day to you. But before you go, what exactly are your plans here?
Well, we've not made any... Well, We are going to need some money.
Money, yes, of course. But there's money at the trolley station. They keep a lot of cash there in the day. Now, I could not involve myself in such matters. But you, as a guest, yes, as my guest, bah, do it, huh? Okay, good day, gentlemen.
Goodbye.
Ok, ragazzi, adesso il vino buono.
Bueno, Italia errori tiro bat buruan jasotzea mereziko luke. Ez egin beharko dugun orain.
Gentlemen, enjoy your evening and welcome once again to Saint Denis. Ciao, ciao.
Ja, joan zetez denak pikutara.
Let's go ingratiate ourselves. Okay. Go find the mayor if you can and stay out of trouble. And steal nothing unless it's information. Of course. Jose, you go find us someplace to rob. Bill, go make us some new friends. I'm gonna find out if old Cornwall, what's his name, Milton, knows we're here. Gentlemen, be well.
Get me a bloody drink, will you? A small one. Just big enough for me to swim lengths in, you know?
Yes, madam.
You know it. Great fuck, I'm drunk.
I mean, modern art is all very well, but my daughter could do better.
Oh, you're not such a Philistine as all that, Marie.
Would you like some champagne?
Of course. Thank you, sir. You are quite the gentleman. Clearly not from this swampy hellhole.
Thank you. Thank you.
Ladies, I'll see you next week.
I tried to pull. Bastards and marriage. Maybe married a bastard. You're walking away from me.
How was the show? I heard you went to.
Outrageous. These dances. Well, if that's French culture for you, sign me up for French lessons. Listen,
And tell me, in all honesty,
would you like tickets?
What?
This cabaret show at the Theatre Ramua. It's jolly fun.
Gentlemen, I hope you're having a fine evening. Mr. Mayor, wonderful to see you again.
Lemieux, this intellectual here was just insulting me regarding the Redskins.
I did no such thing. But, Mr. Lemieux, I suggested that all of us, as Americans, had a duty to take care of people living in this land. And that extends to Saint Denis.
It ain't complex, Lemieux. And only an idiot like you, buddy, would try to make it so.
I will not deny idiocy, sir, but perhaps now is not the time.
Typical pansy.
You are drunk, Ferdinand.
I'm not drunk, you fool. But this man loves darkies.
Hey, you are pretty drunk. Yeah, what say you and me cool off?
Get your hands off me.
Come on, sleep it off.
All right, okay. God damn it.
Sit down and calm down. Count to 1,000. Then you can rejoin the party.
Oh, hello.
Thank you, sir.
My pleasure.
Henri Lemieux. I hope you're enjoying my party.
The mayor.
Allegedly.
This quite a place you got here?
It's not mine, and the city is horribly in debt, but we can still put on a good show. Do you know Evelyn Miller?
My lord. Ryder?
Well, we seem to have another deranged drunkard on our hands.
Shall we?
My lord, they're fantastic.
Excuse me, monsieur, please.
Mr. Cornwall was quite insistent, I'm afraid. He shouted down the telephone for several minutes.
Mr. Cornwall is a horse's ass, and a bad horse.
I'm very sorry, sir.
It's not your fault. I'm a fool for trusting him. I'll come in silence in a minute. Let me enjoy the fireworks.
Of course.
Did he say something about Cornwall? Yes. Find out what. Sure.
How do you do, sir?
Hello, ma'am.
Beautiful. Why are you being such an oaf?
Evening, ma'am.
Bonjour.
Vale, con tus... Vale, Drain. Segaitik daukago hainbesteko laga.
No problems? Everything's fine. We have the place well secured.
Good. Mr. Bronte has a habit of wandering about and reading whatever he likes.
We're watching him and his men like hawks.
Thank you, Mr. Turner.
Vale.
Is everything taken care of? The telephone, it keeps ringing.
The mayor said he will sign later. Marie! Marie! Find that little reprobate Chip and beat him. I will not have standard slip in this house. Have you lost your mind? I said, have you lost your mind? Come here. Come here. Look at me. Look at me. Who do you think you are? This area is not meant for the likes of you. You know this. Standards in this house are slipping. This is a final warning to you, miss. A final warning. Now get out of my sight.
Mr. Leviticus Cornwall. Top secret. Extremely confidential. Very interesting.
Vale, guazen. Egaituzte ikusi, beraz hori guretzat oso mesedegarria da.
do.
Hello, mister. What's your problem?
Find anything?
I think so. Nothing. This town is a waste of time.
Maybe not. Arthur? Gentlemen, I think we're done here.
What did you find out?
There's plenty of money moves through here, of course, and I think I found out how we can grab some of it. Big bank. Real one, I mean. But not yet.
A city bank.
Maybe. And a stuffed one. If we're gonna leave, that could be the one thing we need.
There's also that trolley car station Senor Bronte told us about, and I heard about a high-stakes poker game. Come on. Here comes Lenny. All right, let's get in. Go home.
I ain't never felt so awkward in all my life. All them folk all so pleased with themselves. Oh, high society's pigeon shit. If you ask me, it's more like torture.
Well, that's sort of the point, isn't it?
Badirudi kamera gelditu dela blokeatuta.
Anybody see you take this?
I don't think so.
I might have an idea. Let me think on it.
Vale. Zer gertatuko den orain.
Interesting times.
I guess. So what's next? Dancing lessons? Deportment?
More along the lines of armed robbery. Hosea is handling reconnaissance on the bank. He and Abigail are gonna run some distractions, see how the law reacts.
Good.
Oh, and I spoke to Evelyn Miller. Fine man. Here helping the Indian chief we saw.
Yeah, I met him too, with the mayor.
He's lobbying officials in Saint Denis on their behalf. Maybe we could help.
Maybe.
Now, I think there's a lot of money on the riverboat. A lot of money. And Trelawney, he's investigating for us. He says to meet him at the Taylors.
Okay.
One big score down here, Arthur, and we disappear. We are almost heading home.
Where is home?
I don't know. Exactly. But I can smell it. I'm gonna go investigate this trolley thing old Bronte was talking about.
Okay. Sure is nice seeing the kid back around.
I don't know if I could have gone on much longer.
All in the past now.
Vale. Mapa garrantzitsa da beti. Horra joango gara lehendabizi.
sure you stay awake there, Karen.
Morning, Arthur.
Nola, guazen. Oraingoz behintzat jokoan ez ditugu kodelorik ikusi, agian modu libre heltzen garenean apur bat gure airera joaten garenean ikusiko ditugu. Eta agian ez dakit. A ver... Guazen etorkizunerako mundura mendebal basatetik industrializazio gunera. Gure salditzen din klankaka. Hor industria eta dena du da. Lehendabiziko Gerra Mundiala urte batzuk berandago gertatu zen. A ver.
Bonjour, monsieur.
Faith healer came to old Tobias's yesterday. They're saying he can walk again.
I don't believe it. Hey, y'all.
Why are you taking this out on me? Why you gotta be like this? Ain't that the truth?
Fine, I'll get the law. Good morning, Arthur.
Morning. Legalization of vice and iniquity.
A ver. Niaren dizirek. Oi, wow. Vale, hori ez da nahita izan.
Hey, ma'am.
Hello there.
Hello.
Bonjour, monsieur.
That's the road on it.
Raymond? Yep.
Ea desaratzen zaiguna ofengoagatik. Mapa.
What the hell is going on? No dancing, folks. Okay, yeah. No, no way. That's him. Shoot him. Come on. You're dead, you cocksucker. We gotta close up this gap. Come on. I think he's bleeding. Finish him off. You thought you could beat the law, huh? He's getting away from us. Ah! You ain't gonna walk out of this town alive.
Venga ya. Txarta atera zaigu. Beti oso gertatu behar zait. Ba, bueno, berriro saiatuko gara.
You okay, boy? Missed you, boy. We are departing soon. Everyone on board. Fine morning. Please
goazen.
Ah, there you are, dear boy.
Yes, here I am.
Well, we're going to need to get you smartened up a bit.
Why?
Well, you can't play at the tables on a Lanahasi riverboat looking like this.
Yeah?
Not if you want to fit in so well that no one will realize you're there to rob the place. Now, come on.
Are we still doing that?
Of course. We're going to fix you up so fine no one will notice a thing.
A ver.
Hello, can I help you, gentlemen?
Yes, my friend here is in need of a new suit. We are playing on the riverboat this evening.
Make this gentleman look like the Duke he really is. It was the English's fault his grandfather had to emigrate. A bitter and jealous people. You can see the aristocrat in his profile. Heavy brow from all the inbreed. A very good choice, sir.
Come on, let's get you to the barber.
Sure.
Good luck tonight, gentlemen. Herr Strauss has scoped the whole thing out. It's quite ingenious, actually.
What is?
The action he has planned. Indeed, it's not much of an action at all. You play cards and win. And you're going to bet very big and flamboyantly while you win. And everyone's going to think you're some new money from the oil fields come to lay it on thick and drunk. All the while, Herr Strauss will be signaling you in your line of sight. When you bust the place, they'll take you upstairs to pay you off. And that is when Javier comes in, and you take whatever you want.
You don't
Ya,
think
esa
they
rosada.
might see an armed Mexican coming into the safe with me?
Sure, they might, but perhaps not. You will see.
The suspense is killing me.
Don't be so jaded. We both know this is just the kind of innocent fun you thrive on.
Well, after the past couple of months, armed robbery don't seem such an innocent pastime.
No, but we, you, all of us, will be done here soon.
I hope so.
Come on.
Yeah. That ain't news.
My good man, could you smarten up my dear hick friend here?
A ver.
This unlikely fellow has made himself a fortune in the oil fields and learned himself not a lick of manners or gentlemanly deportment.
Well, very good, sir.
No, it's not good. Not good at all. Not if they're going to let him play big at the tables tonight.
A ver.
Make him look like a prince, sir.
Hala, horrela perfecto gaude.
Very smart. Come on, let's get to the docks. I've arranged some transportation for us.
Goazen.
Hope you have a successful evening, gentlemen.
Hello, dear.
How are you?
Not too good, to be honest.
George! To the Grand Corrigan, please.
Grand Corrigan, sir.
Well, look at you. From Toad to Prince.
Yeah, this is a bit much, ain't it? The coach?
We can't whinny up there on horses like a bunch of countrified yokels. You're a brash oil man. Money to burn. Which reminds me,
Nik artetan fetzarra naiz.
puff your chest out. Get outside yourself.
Yeah, all right. This ain't Hamlet. So, who's a mark? You all right, by the way, the driver?
Oh, yes. Don't worry. George and I go way back. It's a man called Desmond Blythe. Made a fortune in hosiery of all things. Likes to play fast and always keeps some extra collateral in the safe upstairs.
So, if Strauss is sitting behind him, how does he know what cards I got?
He won't. But the dealer has recently become a very good friend of mine.
Another one.
Don't worry, Arthur. We're all the authors of our own good fortune. He'll make sure you get the right cards.
What could possibly go wrong?
Tiroketa bat bukatzea. Ideia moduan, eh?
And what money am I playing with?
Don't worry. That has all been arranged. Your chips will be waiting for you. Ah, there she is. Come on.
Okay.
Arthur, leave any weaponry here. They'll search us when we get on. George, we'll collect these from you later.
Very good, sir.
Thank you, George.
Good luck, sir.
Now remember what I said, Arthur. Everyone is the author of his own good fortune.
Yes, believe me, I heard every word.
Watch Strauss, listen to the dealer, and this should be a very lucky night.
Ondo ateratzen bada bai.
There they are.
Txarto ateratzen bada esain beste.
Wonderful to see you, Arthur. You remember this pair of boys we met in New York? Come on. Champagne is on dear old Arthur. He's rich as can be and feeling luckier than a turkey that survived Thanksgiving.
Hello, gentlemen.
Hello, dear boy. Come on, let's head aboard. Drinks on Arthur. Champagne.
I'm afraid we require all patrons to hand over their guns.
Good time. The tables await.
I'll go find myself a change of clothes.
Okay.
Itxasantzi polita dela bintzat argi dago.
Gun tends to bring out the self-doubt in me.
These people are virtually idiots. This is simple stuff. Now have a good time, but don't lose too much money or your wife is going to kill me.
Whatever you say.
Now where can I get a cocktail?
Take a seat, sir.
Ni hemen oso txarra
Good
naiz.
evening, gentlemen. Arthur Callahan. Sorry I'm late. I had some unfinished business at the bar.
Desmond Blythe. Evening.
Not to worry. Welcome to the game, Mr. Callahan. Okay, gentlemen, let's play.
I hope you're a player. Been too many cowards at these tables recently. Nothing less dignified than a man afraid to lose a little money.
Look at this. Chips already stacked up waiting for me. I like this joint already.
We aim to please, sir.
So, how are we all fared?
Some better than others.
If we all fared the same in life now, where would the fun be? Quite. Wait, not Desmond Blythe, the hosiery king. I should have brought my other wallet.
Not my preferred title, but yes, you should have.
We'll see about that. To hell with you. You know what? Call. Here we go then. Well, hello, my ladies.
Mr. Blythe wins with 3 queens.
Goodbye, gentlemen. I guess it's just you and me now, friend.
Yes, it is.
Time to see if you're really the man you seem to think you are.
Likewise, Mr. Blythe.
So, what business are you in, Mr. Callahan?
I'm an oil man, for my sins.
Funny, I haven't heard of you.
Oh, you will. You know, I thought about getting into hosiery, but I just look better in a suit.
I would stick to oil, Mr. Callahan. I don't think you have a future on the stage.
You sound just like my wife. Call.
Sorry to do this to you, but I have no choice. All in.
I'm all in. Interesting. Pair of cowgirls. Shit. Shit.
Es que sacado pestaña la buena.
Is that you done?
Done?
Bust. Or, you got something else to play with.
Meaning?
Well, I heard there was some big boys on this boat. Maybe that's not you. No offense.
Sit your hillbilly ass down.
Why?
I got a watch.
Look at you.
An expensive one. Real fine. Swiss. A Reutlinger, no less. It's in the safe upstairs. It's worth more than you.
Okay. I trust you.
Now play.
As you wish.
So, you must know Leviticus Cornwall, big oil man like you.
Of course, we've crossed paths. I was fortunate enough to tour a little operation of his up in New Hanover.
I am 100% all in, Mr. Callahan.
Don't worry, sir. Everyone is the author of his own good fortune.
Well, nothing ventured, nothing gained. Pair of kings.
Very good, but not good enough.
Shit. Uh-oh. Yes, you little beauty.
Hard lines, Mr. Blythe. Mr. Callahan wins with an ace-high diamond flush.
God damn you! No offense.
None taken.
Well played, sir. Unlucky Desmond.
Now, forgive my lack of discretion, but, where might I find this watch?
It's upstairs. Shall we go and have a look?
Why not?
Gentlemen.
Please, cash these out for me.
I started last week.
Good. Sure. Perhaps you could escort us up to the office.
Yes, of course, sir.
Thank you.
Follow me, gentlemen.
Come with me, sir.
Alright, what's then?
You're having quite the night.
Yeah, so far.
I cannot believe someone gave a greaser a job.
We live in strange times.
Personally, I wouldn't trust one with a gun, but fear not. I've got my own little lawgiver right here.
Very good.
Next, we'll be hiring
you're going to like this watch, sir. I saw it earlier, and it really is a handsome piece. Foreign made, but you can't have everything.
Indeed.
Zitzarragian.
Here we are.
Just give me 1 second, sir.
Of course, take your time. Don't reach for that gun.
Take his gun, Arthur.
I guess you were right. Only an idiot would give a greaser a gun. Idiot, huh?
Ah, shit! Let's hope no one heard that. Quick, clear the safe. Let's get out of here. Can't believe that asshole had another gun.
View in here is looking pretty good.
How much is there?
Must be a few thousand plus the watch.
Nice. Now let's get out of here. Come on. Let's go meet the others.
Sure.
I reckon we've only got a few minutes to get out of here.
If we're lucky.
Vale.
A gunshot? It sounded like one. Come on.
Kokodriloen bat agertuko da horrela,
How
kose
exactly
ose.
are we getting out of here?
I ain't too sure. This is what tends to happen when you leave Trelawney in charge of planning. No garnish, no meat. Probably involve us dressing up as dancing girls and carrying cannon off the side. Nice uniform, by the way.
Thanks. Give anyone a job these days. Anyway, we shouldn't give ourselves away till we know we need to. Maybe we could still blend into the crowd when it all goes crazy.
Which it surely will. To the bar, senor!
I hope you had fun, sir.
At the time of my life. You boys sure know how to put on a show.
That's wonderful. Ah, look, there's your friend.
He's not a noble cheat, and I beg you to take back the insinuation.
There he is.
Now, don't be a sore loser, friend.
There's something I don't like about the pair of you.
There's plenty I don't like about you, but I have the good manners to keep my mouth shut.
There he is! Shoot that man!
Come on, Arthur! We gotta get out of here!
Whatever you do, forget I'm armed.
Arthur, do something!
My God, I'm in a terrible spot here.
Good Lord! Where are they all coming from?
We need to get out of here.
How do you suggest?
I don't know. This ain't my show. Silly me, I clean forgot to bring my gondola.
Damn it! We gotta go! Come on! What about the alligators? Oh, for Christ's sake! Watch your heads!
Whoa.
Well, never a dull moment.
Yeah, that's one way of putting it.
So, how much did we get?
A few thousand, I think. Pretty good.
Yes, indeed.
And this watch, apparently it's worth a bunch. Swiss, a Reutlinger or something?
Nice watch. Yes, it's a Reutlinger, all right.
We'll give it back then. All right, come on, let's get out of here.
La burret, ¿dónde Juan da? Mapa. Horra, eta hor utziko dugu bideoa.
I'm looking for my friend. Gavin. Gavin.
Gavin ez dago, Gavin.
What is your damn problem?
Goazen zonalde gutzatutik natura berrira. Vale. Musika aldetik oso ondo dago, paisaia, grafikoak, dena disfrutatzen ari dela nabari da. Oh, txerriki.
Hey, mister, that's one nice looking horse you got there. How about we see how fast it is? First one to Catfish Jackson's.
Sure, why not?
Ready? Let's go. Doing all right back there? Come on now. Will you please stop?
Hala.
I'm surprised I won, honestly.
Darn it! Damn horse acting up on me. Of all the times. God. Be safe out there.
Mapan ikusi du zaldi bat. Blackwater, Valentin... Hala, guazen. Guazen gure etxaldera.
Who goes there? Arthur, dumbass. Wondered when you'd roll back in. Get that animal out of here. Relax.
Ba, bueno, lagunok, hau izan da dena, espero dut gustoko esan zaizuela etorrengoan gehiagoa.